everybody, it's the vegan cheerleader. Yay! I'd like to talk about fat shaming. For some reason, fat shaming is like a bad thing. I don't think so. I don't think you do either. For all of you people out there who think that, oh, no, let's accept our bodies the way they are. You know, if I actually thought that you don't look at the fatty over there or over there and don't be like, oh my God, her fast is so fat, Becky, you'd be a liar. Now, you fat shame, I fat shame, we all fat shame. And you know how we can get out of this? Go vegan. When you go vegan, it's very hard to be fat. Alright? And now we dance. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every week.